All right, guys. So taking a look at the updated stock to meme coins here this week, I'm going to be going through all of them. You can see the total market cap is $1.8 billion, mainly once again coming from SPX6900, which did cross over $2 yesterday. It reached a new all-time high. You can take a look at the last 7 days. The coin has been kind of trading linear, actually. It was $1.87. Now it's $1.86, but it has pushed up a few different times above $2, almost at that $2 billion valuation. They do have the 70 million coins that have been burned, so the price is not going to exactly line up with the market cap in terms of that. But SPX 6900 is the standard bearer of the stock to meme coins, and so you can see the last 7 days, basically nothing's changed in terms of its price, although last week at this time it was also kind of wicked up, so it still has a very nice notable, just to be fair, a very nice notable monthly uptrend where it's done almost a 2x in the span of a month, a remarkable gain considering how high of a market cap it is. Next, you have Dowi. So Dowi up 76% the last 7 days. A little bit of a pullback recently, sitting around 40 million in terms of market cap. It did wick above 80 million. I know there have been some big sales on this coin where people have been taking some heavy profits, and recently it has trickled down pretty significantly. You're going to get pullbacks, especially on a Solana meme coin. This is the one based off of the Dow Jones Industrial Average combined with Dogecoin. And so it's back down to around 40 million, down around 35%, a bit of a pullback for that one. The GameStop coin on Ethereum basically has done nothing the past 7 days. It's down 1%, still maintaining around a $25 million market cap. You've got GME. This is the GameStop coin on Solana. So that's trading around 10.5 million. It's done basically nothing in the past 7 days. You've got Stonks. This is the Stonks on, I believe, Ethereum. I don't think the one on Solana is, no, it is the one on Solana. The one on Solana sitting around $9.5 million, down 3.5%. You've got NASDAQ420. It has been selling off a little bit, down 11%, back down to around 6.6 million in terms of market cap. Taking a look at its past 7 days, there was going to be a little bit of a retracement for NASDAQ 420. I still think this is pound for pound the best coin in the stock to meme kind of market. And so, it reached around 11.5 million. It's back down a little bit. It's going through a little bit of a retracement. Maybe a good buying window there. You've got MicroStrategy 2100 up 10% in the past 7 days, right around 5.4 million. MicroStrategy is another one that people love. I've never owned any of the MicroStrategy coin. The total supply on it is the same as Bitcoin, 21 million. It's based off of the Strategy Michael Saylor plan with which was previously called MicroStrategy. Now it's just Strategy. You do have USD Index 6900 DXY has been selling off a little bit within the past 24 hours, down 11%, still up 39% in the last 7 days. I think this coin, oh wow, they've got this on here now. Contract creator can make changes to the token. I wonder if they can get this off of here. You want to have this removed. What any of this disclosure, whatever this is, this note, because people don't like that. But the past 7 days, this coin, yeah, it wicked to around 3.3, 3.4 million. It's back down to around 2.4, 2.5. It's a meme coin. It's not surprising, but a lot of really, really positive price action with this coin the past 3 months. The chart looks really, really nice. And yeah, I mean, it's done basically a 16, 17x in the past 3 months, or at least it had, and it's come back down a little bit, but still very positive price movement for USD Gen Index. You've got ASTAC, which is up 21%. This is a Solana meme coin. I guess it's kind of based off of NASDAQ, but to me, it fits like the fart coin narrative better. You've got Elon Trump fart ETF 500, basically doing nothing, up 0.5%. You've got the VIX 777. It's maintaining it. It did about a 3x within the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and it's only down 2.7%. You've got SPX 6900 2.0. It's selling off a bit, down 44%. I do like this coin a lot. There's a lot of good lore behind this coin with the original creator of SPX creating this coin after getting frozen out of the original project. And listen, it's sold off again. Maybe it's a good entry at around, let's take a look at this coin. It could be a good entry because I know it's wicked to around, yeah, it's had 2 wicks to around 1.4, 1.5 million. Maybe it's creating a higher floor. Its previous local floor was around 500,000. Now it's at around 720K, and it's possibly in an accumulation window. I don't know. I mean, it could still fall a little bit. How about base SPX6900 getting added to here? So base SPX6900 is on here. It's gone through a bit of a sell-off as well. A lot of these coins have gone through a sell-off within the past few days, but it is up 34% over the past 7 days. It was around 400 or 500K. Now it's at 720K. It was around 1.1, 1.2 million. It sold off a little bit since then. You've got DEX Trending Fund 6900, DTF. A lot of people know, what that means, obviously. This coin is up 81%. In the last 24 hours, this coin's up 98%. I think this was a pump fund coin. Oh, no, I guess it wasn't. But interesting, they burned a ton of this coin, too. They burned almost 200 million of it. And this doesn't even seem like it's a... I mean, I guess it got added here and it was in an accumulation window. Now it's pumped back up. I don't really see the point of this. It's not based off of a stock, but I thought I would give that one a shout out. You've also got the retirement token. This coin is selling off like crazy, man. It's still up 236% in the last 7 days, but this is the 42069K branch off of the... Like, look at this chart. This is a branch off of the whole 401k narrative. And so, yeah, the coin did basically like a 20x, or you could argue like a 24x, but it's retraced significantly. It was around, I mean, if you look at when it came out, I don't even think it doesn't even have it, because it's, well, when it came out, it was around 2 million in market cap, at least when it came on here, and it wicked to around 2 million again, but it was in an accumulation window for like 7 months. Dude, it's disappointing to see this coin sell off like this, honestly. I thought it would be able to... You never know with Solana coins, though. Like, I own this coin, obviously. If you're smart, you would have traded it up here, but I'm holding all the way down. This is the problem with Solana coins. People just don't believe in long-term holding, That's the issue. But they can also pump really high really quickly. So, it's a double-edged sword. We'll see if this coin can find some semblance of a floor. It's just a constant sell-off, though. You can't really trust it to find a floor because it's Solana. I mean, it's selling off like crazy. And it just pumped 20x, so people are still up in profit. You've got the CSI 888. This is the Shanghai exchange. Up 15%, so this coin's starting to have a... maybe not. It hasn't done much the past 7 days. Yeah, this coin has really had some pretty raunchy price action. Just a bunch of bot trades and just low... you see some of these coins getting money infused into them. The CSI coin has not had money infused into it. And then all of these smaller coins, really, you've got the NDX. This is the NASDAQ variant on Solana. It's down to 200K. You've got the MXY. This is the meme coin index, this coin, and it's sold off. This coin is going through one of those sell-offs, gets added to CoinGecko, and it just goes down. At what point will it reach its floor? I don't know. Maybe it's an interesting investment. I know there's Solana versions of this. There is some interesting ideas of meme coin indexes. I will say that. And they're mainly based off of Solana, though. Like I know there was a meme DEX 6900. There's the meme DEX 100. And it's like where you can buy the top 10 meme coins. It's like 10% in each one of them. And so it's like an index of... And I remember one of them worked, but... the coin, nothing ever ended up happening to the coin. I wonder if the coin, I think it's called MPX. Is it on here? It is on here. Yeah, dude, this coin actually had utility, this MPX 6900, but they abandoned it. They ended up abandoning the project. And so, yeah, it's unfortunate. They were going to make a version too. They didn't end up doing it. So this is the Ethereum version of that. Coin 6900, suffering a sell-off, 27% down. Yeah, this is the Coinbase meme. QQQ 6900 stock market coin up 10%, 76K. And then you've got the BRK Berkshire Hathaway 690K. It's actually gone up. I mean, it's got the crazy low supply, $700 almost the total price there because of the supply. But yeah, recently I would say USDGen Index is the top performer so far within the last 7 days. Dowi, you could say NASDAQ. You could say the based SPX, and I guess this DEX Trending Fund, and the retirement token, even though it's sold off significantly recently. I guess you could just go to this. And then the worst performers, SPX 2.0, unfortunately. NASDAQ420. I think these coins are going to do a lot better in the future, though. They're going to start to do a lot better. They're going to do better. But, yeah, that's basically the update, guys. Make sure you like the video down below.